Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD Tutorials for Beginners, and in this tutorial we are going to create a CFL bulb or lamp which we are using in day-to-day life. So let us start with the generative shape design in CATIA V5. So let's go to the generative shape design and provide a name here. Let's say CFL bulb, or you can say a lamp. I will add lamp also, and then click OK. So here we will just change the name of this geometrical set. Let us give the sketches. Just insert one more geometrical set, and that will be the curves, and one more geometrical set we will add, that is going to be a surfaces. So now make these sketches as a defined work object. So just start with the sketch. So we'll directly create a circle. So we'll create a circle here and provide a center point. Support will be the XY plane, and provide this as a 60 mm, and then keep it full. So now this circle is created. So now we have to create the lamp profile, that is lamp helix. So just create a 2 points over here. So select the point and select the on curve option and select this curve. Or there is one more option available. So this one, that is points and plane repetition, and select the first point over here, and the circle is automatically created, and the instances you need to select. So just create these 2 circles. So one point and this second point is created. So now you can create a helix from here. You can just drag this in the geometrical set over here. So it is the new geometrical set gets added. So I will again add it to our sketch, and then just delete this. So now we will create a curve over here. So make it define work object and select the helix command, and select the first point over here. Select the axis, that is along the Z axis we need to add that curve, and add this pitch. So as per the pitch value it is going to differ there. So let us add 20, and add the height, let's say 70 mm. So add this one, let's say 25 or 23, and then just click OK. So now this first helix is created. Similarly select the second helix and select the second point over here. Select the axis again, this Z axis, and add these pitch values. So we have added this 23, and this will be 70, and then just click OK. So you will see 23 and 70 for this 2 helix curves. So now we'll do one thing, we'll hide this circle over here. Just change this radius to 40. Again we'll add this some sketches over here, or you can directly add in this curve as well, so there will not be any much difference. So add the line, or you need to select the point first. So just add a points over here. So the points will be the coordinates, let's say 20 mm from this side, and on the in the y direction it will be -20. Then click OK. Again add another point. So on the minus side on the x-axis we'll add it. So these 2 points will get added over here. Now select the line command and select point and direction. Select the first point and select the support is already default, so just select the direction. It will get added here. Just add it to different, let's say 25, and then click OK. Similarly add the line for this point. Let's add 25. Again select the z-axis. On the other side, so these 2 lines gets added, and now we'll create a curve over here. So select the spline command, select this first point and make it tangent. Select the another point and make this as a tangent. So here we'll just double click here and we'll change the direction, and then click OK. So now this joint is created, these 2 curves are joined. Similarly we'll add join these 2 curves over here. So select the spline command, select the point and this as a tangent. Select the another point and select this line as a tangent, and again we will just change these directions. Just double click over it and change the direction, and then click OK. So the first point will change, and again select the spline command, select this point, select this curve, select this point and this curve. Here also you change these directions to make this in a curvature path. So in this way these curves are created. So now we'll just join these all the curves. So just first hide this for some time and make a join command. Just select these curves one by one. Select this curve, select this line and then click OK. So now this is joined. So now we'll just simply make a sweep along this curve. So to add a surface, make it define work object, add a sweep option and select this option over here, circle, and center with radius. Just select this curve as a center curve. So let us add first 2 mm here. So it is showing some error here. there is some tangency error. Operator impossible to complete meridian curve by surface intersection at tangency discontinuity point. Check the spline continuity. We'll just check this. So here there is some spline tangency issue, so just double click this spline over here. So not this one, we need this spline. So maybe we'll just deactivate this option and make this show. Similarly, make this two lines show here and this line. So just double click this spline and we will just delete this. Just remove these points, and again try. Just select this point over here, select this curve as a tangency, select another point, select the curve as a tangency point, and just change this direction and then click OK. So now just make it show, make it activate here, and again just show. So hide these splines. So now I will just try again this sweep command. So now select this curve and then make it a preview. So now you can see there was some tangency error, and just add this radius over here. So in this way you can create that profile. I'll just reduce this, let's say 4 mm. So now this main profile is created. So now we'll just hide this join as well. Just make this show here, and this was, we have used it 25 mm. So there is a translate command. Select the translate command, select the circle and select the direction. Let's say that is say direction, and add a distance. Let's add 25 mm on the lower side. So let's add minus 25 mm, and then so let's add here minus 25 minus 15 mm. So add minus 40. So now you will get this at this end of this position, and now just fill this. Select the fill surface, select the curve and then fill it. So again make this as a extrude, select the direction as a Z in the reverse direction, add this 25 or maybe 22 is sufficient. So use this trim command here. Just select the trim, select this sweep and then select this fill over here. So it is selecting the appropriate. So now we will use sphere option. So let us go to the sphere command, and we'll find the center of this circular portion. So just create a center here, select the center circle and then click OK. So now we will create a end profile for this. So just add this as a 25, or maybe it was like, let's add first 24. We'll just check this dimension for this. It is 40. So add here 40 or 20 mm. So it is 40 mm. Try just adding this 360 here. So double click this, and now we will just check it manually first. So this must be 90. So just add minus 90 over here, and first we'll clear this as 40. So now this first half is created, and now we'll change this median. So here's a median over here. So let us add this as a minus 180, and then for this 45 make it 0, and then click OK. So now this base is created. So again we'll just translate this for the point. So just translate it, select the direction again in the Z direction, and keep it 40, no problem. Let's select the point, or maybe we can create it later as well. So let's select the circle here, create a point and make it circle center, and then add the support. Support will be XY plane. So just select the XY plane and add a radius, that is, so maybe add 20, and then click OK. So just hide this and make it extrude, and this as a extrude. Make this as a extrude here. I'm not selecting here, I don't know why. Sorry, we have selected the wrong command here. Just extrude it and select the direction along Z component, and add a length of 20 mm. Just on the reverse direction, or maybe take this approximate length, let's say 40 mm, because it is something inside. Say 45. So again select the trim option, select this trim, select this space and select this space and make it hollow. So in this way this portion is created. Just hide this. Or you can select from this option as well. There is one option. actually I don't know that option here. Let's hide this. So in this way you can create a bulb in this. So I will just make it a fill here. Just select the fill option and then click OK. Select the join command, select this space, select this surface and select this one and select this fill. So now we can provide a thickness for this. So let us go to the mechanical design, part design, and select the thickness option. So just search that thickness option in here. Select this one, select on the inner side and make it a preview and click OK. Now you can hide this surface. Just hide this surface and make this on. So in this way you can create a CFL bulb in this CATIA V5. So now we just quickly add a helix here and we'll add a threads over here. So just we'll quickly go through this. So just add one plane over here because we didn't take a circle on exact distance. So we'll just take a reference plane. So just select this one and just take it and just select this point and measure this and till this edge. So it is around 20 point. Just cancel it and we'll just add this plane over there. Just Control V it and your plane will be there. So add a, so just will select a plane over here, make it a reverse and just swap it. Just make it a projection and then exit it. So again similarly we will take one point here. On the curve we have to take. Just click OK. So now we have the point. So go to the shape design. So we will take a helix curve from here. Select this point and select the axis, that is Z axis. Make a reverse direction. Let us add this height here. So we'll just simply add 15 mm only and add this pitch. Let's say 20 or maybe 15. And then click OK. So we will increase this later on. So again take one plane here. Just go to the part design, select a plane here, select this curve and normal to the curve and select these points and then click OK. So sketch on this plane add a, so it will be better if we do it in the surface design. Just add a 3 mm and make this point and this point as coincidence and just click OK. So use the sweep command, not sweep actually, here is the reap command available. So select the profile, select this center curve and click OK. So you can add this extra pitch for this helix here. So let us try this 10 mm. Just click OK. So again we'll just add this pitch, let's say 5. So it will change according to this. And just make this height. So in this way you can create a spiral lamp or the CFL bulb in CATIA V5. So thank you very much for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.